engulfed. Look at that.
We're going in it.
We're about to drive into whatever the heck this thing is. That looks... Wow. It's in the mountains, man. It looks like a mountain itself, though. I've never seen this before in my life.
Elvis Duran in the morning show.
What makes a woman undateable?
Insert a media card. I need to insert a media card.
When you're out of memory.
Brand new phone.
Look at that. Wow, this is crazy. Clouds engulfed South Mountains Drive. Man, that's great. I've never seen anything like this before.
Looks like a giant bug.
I have never seen this before. It looks like a nuclear aftermath or volcanic. Look at this. Can't even see where we're driving to. Where are we now? This is 10? Low visibility, high winds ahead. Yes, I can tell. Look at that.
That's cool.
It's a big cloud
A dirty cloud.
that has
It's like a big dome.
touched down on Earth.
Oh,
Look at this.
look at it, it's moving fast.
What is that?
Look at it move.
Is that wind?
Wow.
Is that a tornado?
Yeah.
That's a dust storm?
Oh, maybe we shouldn't be driving in this.
What's it looking like by the house?
We're gonna get light.
Right in. Look, it's clear on the other side. Nothing over there. But here,
Getting
oh,